Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about turning off email notifications in TikTok. So if you don't want to receive notifications regarding updates or basically newsletters, anything that TikTok is emailing you, perhaps instead of security notifications, which I don't believe you can turn them off, but basically any other optional email, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make that adjustment. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the profile button at the bottom right corner of your TikTok account, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right, select settings and privacy, and now underneath content and display, select notifications, and then scroll down underneath email notifications all the way at the bottom. Go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says all email notifications, if it's toggled to the on position, you can just turn it off by left clicking inside this field one time at the top, just to toggle it to the left. And then all email notifications will be turned off at this point. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.